This music is the music of hope. The two keys that overcome primordial fear of imprisonment and abandonment. That's a vacillation. Those two keys are unity and freedom. These two keys are beyond me making up for it or making it up, but this ministry is the first that I've ever been aware of that has recognized that that's the fundamental nature of what Christ spoke about when Christ said, "And I will give you the two keys to the kingdom of heaven. Whatsoever thou shalt bind on earth shall be bound in heaven, and whatsoever thou shalt loose on earth shall be loosed in heaven." That right there from the Bible is the beginning of what Christ talked to Peter when he gave Peter the two keys to the first church. So that's why we are a church. Whether I wanted it to be that way or not, that's what God told me. And it is not just Christian church. It is a unification and liberation and a church of world harmony of all faiths. And a practical way to get there, believe it or not. How can we let all of each other believe what we want to believe and still work from an individual basis? How do I deal with that on a day-to-day basis? That's what this path is about. It's the way of compassion and autonomy. It talks about your sense of need for safety fundamentally, then you work in freedom, and there's an equilibrium balance always between safety and freedom, and that is the constant vacillation of love. It's the pulse of love. That's how you correctly raise a child. You can't make them too safe. You have to have them always understand that they're safe fundamentally, but they are also free to a certain degree. There's always a balance between those things. If you make someone feel too safe, you imprison them. If you set somebody too free and you don't give a bleep about them as a parent, they're going to feel like you outcasted them. So a parent can never truly set their child free. There always has to be a safety that they have to come back to. That is the unity and freedom. Safety, freedom, those two together make love, and that's how you raise a happy child. That's the fundamental ingredients for happiness. And I didn't make it up. That came from God through me, but that's how I raised my children. And I raise kids in the community through sports and all kinds of stuff and drum circles and that's the best I can give you. It's on the card that I gave you. There's a bunch of videos. It's on that too. But we can talk after. Thank you, brother. But speaking of that, and the road is long, right? No matter what, you got to go through hell, so to speak, to get to heaven. But you can make it there. Don't ever give up hope, okay? Speaking of hope, this song is called Hope. We're on the road to find out. We're on the road to find out. We're on the road to find out. And along this road, let your faith and love carry you home. Every heart has a reason, and every dream its perfect season. Bring your hope to the light, yeah. You're gonna make it alright. You're gonna make it alright. we're on the road to find out. We're on the road to find out. And I know time will call someday, and the ground beneath my feet will fall away. Every moment a gift of grace, another chance to make amends and give thanks. No way to lose when the day is done. Yeah, victory will come when you play the game for fun. Yeah, victory will come when you play the game for fun. Yeah, victory will come when you play the game for fun. Yeah, victory will come when you play the game for fun. Yeah, we're on the road to find out. We're on the road to find. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless all of you.